Hey, Scott here. Made a slight balls up with this recipe. That's why I'm doing this little introduction explainer before we get into it. Now, these chicken nuggets should look something like this. This is what they look like when we cooked them and did the proper photos for them. But what you'll notice when I cook them, and I didn't realize this until I was halfway through cooking, that I thought I was using turkey breast mince. You can use chicken mince or turkey breast mince, but it turned out I was actually using chicken thigh mince. So the end result are the nuggets look really grey and brown and don't look that appealing. But if you cook the recipe properly and use chicken mince, like chicken breast mince or turkey breast mince, then they will look like they're meant to look in the picture. Anyway, I thought I'd explain this one first. Let's get into the recipe. I can assure you they taste way better than they look. Let's get cooking.
If you're still watching this point, fair play to you, and thank you for trusting me. Honestly, these do taste much better than they look. So let's make your mince mixture. Make sure you use chicken mince, not blooming turkey thigh mince, and then add the ingredients that you see on screen. Now, you might not have white pepper in the house, but you can get it in pretty much all the supermarkets, and it is really different to black pepper. So I strongly encourage you get this. At a push, you could use black pepper, but white pepper is the main one for it. And then we're going to make the coating, which is pretty much the same ingredients again. The question I often get asked is, can you use gluten-free flour? Yeah, that's what I use because my wife has an intolerance, so we always use gluten-free flour, so that's absolutely fine. And then, yeah, mix all those ingredients through and then just set them aside.
Hey, sorry for the interruption, but I've got a super quick favour to ask. If you could either click like, drop a comment below and let me know what you think of this recipe, or subscribe, I would really appreciate it. It has got absolutely nothing to do with my ego. It just means that if you interact with this video in some way, YouTube is more likely to show it to others so that more people get a chance to cook my recipes. Thanks in advance. Now back to the recipe.
When you're ready to make these, just make a sort of meatball shape and then flatten it out, dunk it in the flour so it is all coated evenly. Then for cooking, I'm doing this in the air fryer, 200 degrees for about 16 minutes until it's cooked through. You could do it in the oven, you'll just need to cook for longer. You could easily pan fry or grill them, just make sure they're fully cooked through. And then you can just dunk them in some mayonnaise, barbecue dip, and just get stuck in. Anyway, thanks so much for watching this video. Like I said, they taste much better than they look. See ya!